In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Typeform from scratch. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to add the right building blocks so your form looks polished and works the way you expect. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Typeform website. Using the latest version of your browser will give you the smoothest experience. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you can access your workspace. This is where all your forms live and where you'll manage drafts and finished projects. It helps to know ahead of time what you want to collect, whether that's contact details, feedback, or quick yes or no responses, so the next steps are faster. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new form and click it. Choose Start from Scratch. This opens the builder, which is your canvas. You'll see a clean layout where you can add, edit, and arrange content. Start by giving your form a clear title so it's easy to identify later. Then add your first block. You can insert contact fields for names and email addresses, short or long text fields for open-ended questions, and media blocks if you want to include text and videos that introduce your form or explain a question. For closed-ended responses, add choice fields, multiple choice for single selections, checkboxes for select all that apply, and yes or no for quick decisions. As you add questions, keep them simple and focused. If a response is essential, mark that field as required so people can't skip it. You can add brief descriptions or helper text beneath a question to reduce confusion and improve accuracy. Drag and drop questions to reorder them into a logical flow, moving from basic information to more detailed items. A short welcome message at the top can set expectations, while a friendly thank you message at the end confirms that responses were received. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review your form. Read it from the respondent's perspective and check that the wording is clear, the order makes sense, and there are no duplicate or missing questions. If you've included media, verify that it loads properly and doesn't distract from the task. When everything looks good, your form is ready to go. That's it. You've created a new Typeform from scratch. With a clear structure, thoughtful questions, and a clean finish, you've set yourself up for higher quality responses and a better experience for your audience.